When it comes to home upgrades, door replacement is often overlooked in favor of more obvious renovations like kitchen remodels or new flooring. However, upgrading your doors can have a significant impact on your home's overall value, appearance, and security. For homeowners in Little Rock, where fluctuating weather conditions and local trends come into play, replacing old doors can be one of the best investments. Here's a look at why door replacement makes such a difference and the key benefits it brings to your Little Rock home. 1. Enhance curb appeal and home value. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A well-maintained, stylish door makes a strong first impression and boosts curb appeal. When your door looks dated, scratched, or weather-worn, it can detract from the home's appearance. By replacing it with a modern, stylish door, you're making an impactful change that increases the home's value and appeal to potential buyers. In Little Rock, where real estate is competitive, this extra curb appeal can make a difference. A new door signals to buyers that the home is well cared for, and because front doors are a focal point, they create a strong impression that may sway buyers' opinions before they even step inside. According to studies, replacing an entry door can yield a high return on investment, sometimes up to 70–80%, making it one of the most cost-effective home improvements. 2. Improve home security. Security is a top concern for homeowners everywhere, and your doors are your first line of defense. Older doors, especially those made of wood or materials that may have degraded over time, are easier to break through, putting your home at greater risk. Modern doors are designed with reinforced materials like steel or fiberglass and often come with enhanced locking mechanisms that can withstand forced entry. For Little Rock residents, where home security is paramount, upgrading to a sturdier door can provide peace of mind. Many new doors come with multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and other security features. By investing in a door with modern security technology, you protect your home and family, potentially lowering your homeowner's insurance premiums as well. 3. Increase energy efficiency. Little Rock experiences a range of weather conditions, from hot, humid summers to chilly winters. If your doors aren't well insulated, you could be losing energy and money through air leaks around old door frames and uninsulated materials. A high-quality, energy-efficient door with proper sealing and weather stripping helps to maintain your indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Energy-efficient doors are often made with insulated cores, dual-pane glass, and thermal breaks, which help to reduce energy loss. These features keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, reducing your utility bills over time. For environmentally conscious homeowners in Little Rock, replacing old doors with energy-efficient options is also a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. 4. Reduce maintenance needs. Old doors, especially wooden ones, can require frequent maintenance. Peeling paint, warping, cracking, and rust are common issues that develop over time, particularly with Little Rock's varied weather. By replacing outdated doors with durable, low-maintenance materials like fiberglass or steel, you can cut down on maintenance tasks significantly. Modern doors are designed to withstand weather fluctuations and require little more than an occasional cleaning to keep them looking like new. Fiberglass doors, for example, resist warping and can mimic the look of wood without the need for sanding, staining, or painting. For homeowners looking to save time and money on upkeep, a new, high-quality door is a solid investment. 5. Take advantage of modern technology and design. Today's door designs offer more than just aesthetic appeal. From built-in blinds and decorative glass panels to smart locks and touchless entry systems, there are countless options to enhance both the look and functionality of your doors. In Little Rock, where style and convenience go hand in hand, these modern features are a great way to customize your home. Upgrading to a smart lock, for instance, adds convenience and security, allowing you to lock and unlock your door remotely. Built-in blinds between glass panels provide privacy without the hassle of cleaning traditional blinds or curtains. These small touches add to the overall value and appeal of your home. Door replacement is a powerful yet often underestimated home improvement project. For homeowners in Little Rock, upgrading to a modern, secure, and energy-efficient door not only enhances the home's aesthetics and value but also boosts security and comfort. Whether you're looking to improve curb appeal, increase energy efficiency, or simply make your home safer, investing in a new door can pay off in more ways than one. As you explore door replacement options, keep these benefits in mind to ensure a choice that meets both your style preferences and practical needs.